cannot, at this point of time, we cannot say anything, because that, as I told earlier also, we use the same material. What the material was used for constructing the 59 that length of 59 pillars or slabs, whatever, the same material is being used for 60th also. Unfortunately, it collapsed. We have no information. That's what I'm saying. That's what we are saying.
After hearing all the news, we already sent our officials from here to there. They're already there in Calcutta.
Construction started in 2009.
Yes.
But why it took so long? Like till now, why is it not?
It is mainly because
Front is not available. It is
mainly because, as you are all aware, it's a very busy place, and the construction could not happen more than 6 hours a day. We could not do because of the traffic and all. We were constrained. Let me complete. We were constrained. One second, I'm answering on that.
We
did not get the We did not get the necessary approvals on time. The delay does not happen. One second. The delay does not happen only because of the contractor side. The delay will happen because of various reasons. Whoever involved in execution the work, the delay happens due to various fronts. You cannot label again. You cannot label that this person is the reason for delay. It cannot attribute. I did not say that. I said all the reasons will collaborate.
Will happen, not because of
all the reasons put together will cause the delay. Probably. I am not from a technical side, so I cannot answer that. I am not saying that. Oh my naib Basari. I am not saying that. I am saying there are various reasons. There are various reasons for the project to be executed, and all the reasons. One reason also could delay the execution of the project. Whatever reason it could be, the technical people will be able to tell. We cannot tell.